Friends, good evening. Today it is 25/12/2022 and the time is 7:50. We already mentioned that 5th December will be the do or die day for Nifty based on the based on the history in which Nifty, the important date for its lifetime is 4th December. Since 4th December was holiday this time, so 5th December high and low will be the key for the Nifty, and you have seen after that 5th December how Nifty was fell very badly without any support. And people, those who understand that price only, they cannot find all this because all the indicators was bullish when it was trading at on 5th December. But time knows everything much before, and we are talking this about this time concept for very long time, very long time. And see, normally I used to put videos for more than 30 minutes on my weekly forecast thing. Many people not started watching that because I interpret Nifty, Bank Nifty based on Ichimoku, Pitchfork, so many other technical analysis, but people are not interested to watch that. So I cut down everything and then I was showing only the numbers. Even last week, we clearly mentioned that 17,777 will be the low of Nifty, and that was the exact low of Nifty last week, 17,777. And I'm not writing this number for only last week. I'm writing this number for the last 1 year because that is the number in which market vibrates. And yesterday also, last week also, even if the fall was so big, it came exactly touch that number, 17,777. And from there, it bounced a little above. So coming to, maybe I'll try to do a little bit of, I don't want to show everything in graph. I will show a little bit of time cycle today. And Nifty closed exactly at 50% rule. The 50% rule works pretty well in Gann as well as in Fibonacci. So exactly it closed at 50% rule. But I don't want to talk about 50% rule. I want to talk about time today. Let's go and see the time. How the time concept works in market. So this was the video which we posted on fourth night on Sunday. Clearly mentioned 5th December is the do or die for Nifty. Do or die for Nifty. Kindly go back and watch this video. Then you will know why I said do or die for Nifty. Do or die for Nifty. So please watch my YouTube video so that you will learn a lot. You will learn a lot. Now let's go and see Nifty. Okay, so I already, those who attended my classes, I already told why this 23rd December is very powerful, because it is the combination of so many cyclic events which is already happened in the past. So if you go here, this is the combination of 3 dates combining into one with the moon, with the star moon. So all that is combining into one date. So this date is very powerful. Apart from that, it is exactly came and touch the high of solar eclipse day high, which is 25th October. 25th October was solar eclipse, and 8th October, 8th November was lunar eclipse. 8th November was holiday, so we need to take 9th November high and low. But 9th November, it is already broken that. Nifty has already broken that. But exactly based on the time, it came and closed exactly at solar eclipse high. So break below the solar eclipse low, which is this red color line, which is 17,638. You need to be very careful on the Nifty. I'm not talking about anything on the technical front. Okay, I'm talking only about the time cycle here. So any close below the solar eclipse low, which is 25th October, you need to be very cautious on the market. Very cautious on the market. And this was the fifth high. This was the fifth high, the third day. And from there, we have seen none of the candle closed above the fifth high. And from there, we have seen a collapse. So all these can be identified only based on time, because on 5th October, on 5th December, all the technical index is bullish. Everybody is talking about 21,000, 25,000, whatever number it comes in their mouth, they will only talk. But time knows where it has to take a U-turn, and it has taken the U-turn here. So 23rd high and low is very crucial. Mark the high and low. If it closed above the 23rd high, simply go long with the stop loss of 23rd low. But any candle closes below 23rd low as well as the low of solar eclipse day, then you need to be very cautious. Very cautious. So this is Nifty. I'm not going very deep into the time cycle. I'm just showing only one time cycle here. Then let's go to the Bank Nifty. If you go to Bank Nifty, many people used to ask me how to find this exact top, of Bank Nifty. It is very, very easy. It is very, very easy. So if you go and see, market made the exact bottom on 17th June. Kindly go back and watch my video on 14th June, where I mentioned that market has to bottom out on 17th June, not only Nifty, including Bank Nifty. That is based on the time cycle. So exactly on 17th, Bank Nifty made 17th June, Bank Nifty made the bottom, and it made the high on exactly 15th September 2022, which is the important lifetime date for Bank Nifty. It is not only for 2022, it is for even next 100 years, 200 years. Till Bank Nifty trades in NSE, the 15th September is the life day for Bank Nifty. Life day. Kindly mark the high and low and simply enjoy the magic. And that is where it again came, and touched the all-time high, where it made the before. And you can go back and watch my 14th September video. I would have clearly explained why 15th September is a crucial date, and that is where it made the top. So if I combine this low, I already marked in green color line. When I combine this low of 17th June, when I connected the high of 15th September, the exact high captured in Bank Nifty on 14th December. None of the technical system will come and tell you that will be the top. But time knows that is the top. Time knows that is the top, and we are predicting the future. So we are simply connecting the bottom and the top. So this time cycle will be respected by the market in the future. So based on this rule, you are having this green color date, all the green color line, which is coming in the future. You have dates for your lifetime. So all these dates is going to be the major trend change date for Bank Nifty. Simple analysis. For this, you don't need to learn astrology to predict the market. These are all very simple tool in which you can understand the market very well. Then use your own system to trade this. So now when it comes to Bank Nifty, the exact top is made on 14th December. And I have already told why 14th December. And it closed exactly at the lunar eclipse low. It's exactly closed at lunar eclipse low. When was the lunar eclipse? 9th November. 8th November was the lunar eclipse, so it was holiday. So we need to take the next day. So the next day, I mark the high and low. It exactly close to that. Ditto. And now if you go to solar eclipse for Bank Nifty, solar eclipse low I have already drawn here, which is 41017. So break below 41017, yes, definitely it's going to be ugly. And none of the candle closed to bill above the previous day high from the high which it marked here. None of the technical list will come and tell you that exit here and run away. Right? So this is how market works. And apart from that, if you go to weekly, if I delete everything, if you go to weekly, this is the Jupiter month, because the low which happened on 23rd March 2020, if you take 144 days, which is the Jupiter cycle, it is exactly coming next week. That is why I mentioned in the month of August that last week of December for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty will be very crucial going forward for 2023. I am not using any graph here. I am not using any indicator here. But we are predicting based on the planetary position. This is a very normal way of predicting market based on the planetary numbers. So exactly 144 days, and I have done a video on how 144 days works in market. Kindly go back and watch that video. It is there in my YouTube channel. So exactly we are at 144 week, which is happening the coming week. The coming week high and low is very crucial for the next 2023 whole year. Kindly mark the high and low of next week and enjoy the magic and simply enjoy the magic. Don't complicate things with 10,000 strategies in this. Elliott wave, that wave, this wave. No need to do complication. These are very, very simple thing. And apart from that, if you go here, many people ask me how that ninth, nine number works in stock market. See, if you take the COVID high, exactly market bottomed out on Bank Nifty bottomed out on 12th and Nifty bottomed out exactly on the 9th week, exactly on the 9th week. Okay, and even if you go to one day, so the high made here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next tomorrow is the 9th day, and if you go to Nifty, the 9th day was from the high, it is 18th day. So if you calculate from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18th day it has to take a bottom. Mark the high and low of tomorrow. Very simple combination. And if you take this high, which happened on 14th December, the 9th candle is tomorrow. And kindly go back to my YouTube channel. I made a video on why 18 number will do a miracle in stock market. Kindly go back and watch that video. It is there available in my YouTube channel. So exactly tomorrow is the 9th day, and from the top it is 18th day. So number 9 works pretty well. And the coming week is 144 day, which is again, when you combine everything, it is again 9. Okay, I'm only talking only 1% of what 9 is all about in stock market. There are 1,000 things which we can talk about 9 in the stock market, and about 12 in stock market, and about 144 in stock market. Anyway, this is how it is, and I don't want to go to graph. There are 1,000 videos available in YouTube channel. Kindly go and watch whatever, trend line, that line, this line, all line, it is available. So kindly go back. So I want to talk about only time. So I am talking about only time. So now let's go to the numbers. So now I've already mentioned here what are the important key dates from 20th December to 23rd December. So mega fall came, because that's how when the cycle combined, the fall will be like this. So the next date is 29th, 29th of December. So apart from the 29th December is very, very key in Bank Nifty, very, very key in Bank Nifty based on again the past pattern. So kindly have a watch. And apart from that, so this is the 2 number which I used to talk about. See how simple it is. Below this, 700 points down. So this one number knows everything. Why you are complicating things with 10,000 trend lines? No need. One number knows everything, and we are predicting this number in the beginning of the expiry. In the beginning of the expiry, we are saying below this number bearish. Simply mark the line and see. Simply mark the line and see. And again here below this 1,000 points done. More than that. And monthly number below this, you know how much point it has already given. More than 1,000 points in Nifty. So that's why I said number do wonders. Numbers do wonders. Right? And again here, now the only thing is Nifty closed for this expiry. I'm talking about the monthly expiry. Okay, so now ignore these two. Now all these will act as a resistance. All these will act as a resistance. Now coming to support level, below this number it is bearish. Nifty closed very near to that number, very near to that number. In case if the market comes down tomorrow, Bank Nifty will try to take the support at this number, 41,493. And this number holds till the Thursday, which is expiry. Okay, this weekly expiry is up to the expiry. And whatever number which I'm going to give you tomorrow, it is for the whole week. So in case if the Bank Nifty comes and touches 41,493, look at the price action there, and any candle closes above 15 minutes and taking a support of something like that, kindly buy. Right? So I will give this number tomorrow. And today in our Sunday webinar, we talked very detail about based on Ichimoku, pitchfork, time cycle, moving averages in Nifty, Bank Nifty charts. And we discussed a lot for more than 2.5 hours. So I cannot cover everything in 30 minutes. Okay, now all the numbers are here. Again, 23rd is the mega day for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Any close about 23rd high, possibility of 250 points. Higher side on the bank, Nifty and 750 points minimum on the Bank Nifty. Any close below the 23rd low, the same ulta 250 points downside on the Nifty and 750 points down on the Bank Nifty. Okay, so this I've already covered. Coming week is the crucial week based on Jupiter rule number, and the coming week high and low is going to set the tone for 2023. And this is the timings for Monday. This is the timings for Monday. So kindly have a watch. And today, two combination dates were happening in Divi as well as in Jubilee Food. So the effect will be seen on Monday. So kindly have a watch Divi and Jubilee Food. And apart from that, now I'm telling, kindly mark this. Nifty and Bank Nifty mega cycle is getting over on 23rd Jan to 27th Jan. Okay, the last week, the mega cycle is getting over on 23rd Jan to 27th Jan. Okay, as I already predicted, in case if the market takes the support from here, if it goes up, the top will happen on 29th Jan 2023. Okay, once that is done, based on the past pattern, it says market may bottom out on March 21st or April 29th, or even it may extend towards June 21st also, but the correction probability is 15% from the 29th Jan high. From the 29th Jan high of 2023. Again, I'm saying 2023. Right? So now all the supports are broken, which I've given you already last week. And 9th I've already mentioned. And this also did the miracle. And this is what we communicated much before November. Last week itself, that 5th December will be the key for do or die for Nifty. So chalo, you know all that. And now coming to numbers, all bearish. And this is the coming week spot numbers. So kindly have a watch. Buy above this, sell below this. And for Bank Nifty, again, all the four are bearish. See, one number knows everything. Below this number, 1,000 points done. Below this number, 1,000 points done. Above this, it is already given 1,000 points. And you need to use your system to trial the stop loss. That's all. Okay. So now this is the weekly spot number for the coming week. So kindly have a watch. And stop loss is also given. And ignore this because I have not updated. And coming to the stocks to watch, apart from Divi and apart from Jubilee Food, tomorrow JK Cement, Ipca Lab, or both are having the trend change date. As I already told you again and again, mark the yellow color stocks high and low of the specific dates. I have already given the high and low. Above this number is buy, stop loss, low of the candle. Below this number is sell, stop loss, low of the candle. And many of the stocks are already in doldrum. So watch out. And I've already today I've showed to people that the important stocks trend change date for January 2023. The entire month I've already shown the list today to my people. I don't know, many people would have taken the snapshot also. They'll be working on that. Those who attended my webinar. So again, all these stocks are yellow color number. Simply mark the high and low of this date. All the high and low is already given. Watch the magic after this. Let people talk about bearishness, bullishness, everything. Okay. So nothing more to add in this. Let's go to fortune signals to wrap it up. Okay. So now coming to Nifty, we call this as a magical candle. Okay, because this candle closed below this red color line. So this is called a magical candle. In case if the Nifty takes the support from here, the move will be phenomenal on the upside. It should not close below this candle low. That is why this is called a magical candle. So how to buy, how to do this? Buy above this candle high, stop loss candle low, because this is called a magical candle, because it broke this red color line. Exactly, even in Bank Nifty, the same is happening. But if you go to a lower time frame, let's go to 1 hour in Nifty. Nifty gave a sell in 1 hour at around say 18,476, and it went and exactly touched the high of this. of roughly around 18,689. And from there is no buy. Even in 15 minutes, the sell came at 18,563. Until now, there is no buy. Even this was a buy, but this was a fake buy. This is just a trap. So from there, it has fallen down badly. Till now, there is no buy. For 700 points. Till now, in 15 minutes, there is no buy. So what we normally do is, unless and until we don't get a genuine buy in Nifty and Bank Nifty, we will not buy any positional long in Nifty. We are also holding some stocks. It has given a phenomenal profit. Now everything is gone for a toss. So more or less, we are also in loss in few companies which we are holding. And in case tomorrow, if the market closes below Friday's low, we'll be exiting those stocks also. Okay, so this is how in 15 minutes there is no buy. Even in Bank Nifty, in 15 minutes there is no buy. So even if you go to Bank Nifty here, the Bank Nifty gave a sell at 43,764, and from there is no buy. It gave a buy here, but none of the candle closed above this buy. So this is the fake buy, and from there it has collapsed. And from 43,649 today, it is 41,668. 2,000 points done in 15 minutes time frame in fortune signals. That is why I say this is a God gift. So we always use this in 15 minutes to capture the mega move, which is the highly positional thing. And many stocks are at the bottom, are at the support. So tomorrow will be the key for all the companies. Let's take ICICI Bank. Today I've showed many companies where it is exactly at the support. Most of the companies are at the support, or it has given a magical candle. So coming week is very crucial, and tomorrow is very crucial. First 15 minutes high and low, take a bet on that thing. But any positional long, I'm telling my subscribers, any positional long only above 15 minutes genuine buy, and others kindly use your own system to take the trade, and use your stop loss wisely, because you need a confirmation on the higher side. Let it at least one candle, let it close above the previous day high candle, then we will think about the U-turn possibility. Okay, so that's all, nothing more to add. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a serious investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. If you want to see more on chart in Nifty and Bank Nifty based on Ichimoku, Pitchfork, GAN, Fibonacci, moving averages, and all that, you need to join my Sunday webinar at 12 o'clock, which is actually a free one. So if you want to join, you will learn a lot. If not, then this kind of video I cannot make more than 1 hour, 2 hour and all. So mostly I covered only based on time. I have not touched upon anything on the technical analysis, which I normally use for predicting the market, top and bottom. So that's all, nothing more to add. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07 at a magical number of Nifty. Happy Christmas to everyone. Bring so much of happiness in the next 1 year, and advance wishes to everyone for Happy New Year, because from 29th to 31 I'm traveling, so I won't be available. So advance wishes to everyone for the happy and prosperous New Year. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.